this is a very interesting concept, and I believe synthetic sampling has been used very successfully whenever they had to generate large data sets and really understand what can be certain, possible behaviors around it. Uh, I can't confidently say where it should or should not be used. I think definitely we should use it to generate test data. It's extremely gold when you don't have the kind of, access to end users or anything. But at the end of the day, you have to validate it with real people and real essentially players in the field. You can't just rely on synthetic data because it will be only as good as a certain extent. But I'm sure probably, Mark, have you used something like that when you guys have
Probably,
been?
yeah, but probably not in the same context. What we have been using generative AI for on occasion is using it to generate synthetic data to train traditional models. So in spam detection, for example, we've been able to do that quite successfully to create more sample data to train a model, essentially. So it's been quite effective. I know we wouldn't use it in every occasion, but it's a good way to train a traditional model if you don't have enough data or representative data in your data set to train accurate models. So we have used in the synthetic data context, but probably not in the same way that the original person's asking the question is. But yeah.
And I think there are some areas where you can actually build those synthetic use cases to really push the boundaries of your model or push the boundaries of your solution. So I think that's where it's super useful. But yeah, when it comes to actual, when you really want to understand what the users are experiencing, what you want to understand what their behavior would be, I think synthetic models are not the best place to go.